What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday, and guess what we have in the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen today? We have the Hamilton Beach Professional Stand Mixer. So this mixer is new on the market, and when I first saw it, I was like, I gotta try this baby out, because we did a budget-friendly stand mixer challenge that the Hamilton Beach won that challenge. And now they've come out with this all-metal stand mixer that they call Professional, and I am so anxious to try this baby out. So today, it's Wednesday, and it's time for us to take our first look at this mixer and see what it has to offer. So join me. It's Wednesday. What's up? So I just noticed something very interesting about this mixer. We're going to get to that, but you're going to be surprised. So I just want to take this opportunity to thank Hamilton Beach for sponsoring this video and sending this mixer so we can check it out. You know, I am like a stand mixer. I'm stand mixer crazy, right? I love stand mixers. I have a ton of them. I've used a ton of them. And there's something seriously that just now I noticed that really sparked my interest about this stand mixer. So this is a tilt head stand mixer. It is 5 quart with 450 watts. And this is different than the stand mixer, the Hamilton Beach stand mixer that we tested. That was a plastic body mixer. It was a budget-friendly mixer. This still is a budget-friendly mixer compared to a lot of things out there on the market. But for a budget-friendly mixer, that mixer knocked it out of the park to me for a little, something to pick up to do basic jobs. It was a great mixer. If you want to then step up and stay within the Hamilton Beach line, this might be a good option. I think it looks pretty cool, and I'm excited to use it. There is one thing on the side of this box that has completely sparked my interest, right? So this is a tilt head mixer. It's 450 watts with 5 quarts, 450 watts. It has like this center line tilt head, which I really like. I think that keeps it a little stable. So it has our classic planetary action. It comes with your whisk, your dough hook, and your paddle. And I believe as well a pouring shield. But look at right here. My mixer fans are going to love this. The power hub is compatible with Hamilton Beach Professional and KitchenAid attachments. This mixer is compatible with KitchenAid attachments. Now that is very unique because a lot of other brands won't use their attachments. And this is saying it is compatible with KitchenAid attachments. So, that just opens up a world of opportunities, right? With this mixer. I'm liking it so far. In here we have a user guide. These are great to have. We have some parts here. This is the funnest thing I get to do. I love discovering new appliances, and particularly stand mixers. Is like, this gives me the most joy, right? So that looks like a pouring shield, and let's get this baby out of here. Okay.
Amy's appliance removal services at your beck and boo.
Get busy. So, cooks, are you as excited as I am? My mixer fans are excited out there, huh? I like what I see so far. Okay. You ready, Boo?
Sure.
The grand unveiling. Yay! I love doing that. This thing is pretty groovy looking. I like it. I see this hub on the front. Oh my gosh. Hamilton Beach. You're just doing it right here. Oh my gosh. I kind of like this. So let's raise the head here. Ooh. Nice. So we have our mixing bowl. Ooh, and it has a handle. Sweet. They're hitting all the points here. Here's our whisk. Nice. So it looks like this is metal and it's coated black to match the mixer. I kind of like that. So we do have a spring on our post here. Like. This underside appears to be, I don't know.
It looks all metal to me. It's all shiny.
It's nice and shiny. Here's our bowl. So we have a pouring shield here. So you put your pouring shield there. You put your pouring chute there. Sweet. Let's see what else we have here. So that's our whip. We have a paddle. Nice. Matches. We have a dough hook. Metal. Nice. It matches too. So let's put this here. Let's get our first, ooh.
Right on.
Nice. Going down like that. I like the looks of this thing. It's very, very sexy. Variable speed. Nice. Not too loud.
So you subtract 3 or 4 from that. So,
Okay.
so it's about 80, 86, 87, unless you want to hold it
86.
down.
About 86 on the decibel meter.
You can subtract a full 10.
Yeah, there you go.
$75. 75. Nice. So, Boo, you want to go grab me a attachment? So I have my KitchenAid slicer shredder here. Just put it on here. Crank her down. So they aren't kidding. The KitchenAid stand mixer slicer shredder is working on this mixer. So this is a very good Wednesday because our first look at this mixer is pretty exciting. So we're going to put this through a full Amy Learns to Cook test and review. We're going to be making whipped cream, cookies, and bread dough, and maybe we'll even grind up something. Maybe we can try making a carrot cake in this. So we'll see what this baby can do. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. I really like it so far. So cooks, it's Wednesday. It's Stand Mixer Wednesday yet again. I should declare Wednesdays just Stand Mixer Wednesday, right? What's up? It's Stand Mixer Wednesday. I hope you guys are having a great week, and I hope you're excited as I am to see how this mixer is going to perform. So this is the Hamilton Beach Professional Stand Mixer. It's fresh off the manufacturing floor and ready for us to try out. So I just want to thank Hamilton Beach for sponsoring this video and sending this mixer so we can give it the old Amy Learns to Cook kitchen once over, right? To see what it can do. If you want to take a look at this mixer, there'll be links down in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe below and hit that bell so you'll get notified of our upload. You can join us on our journey to explore all these fun kitchen tools, stand mixers, and everything else, and as we learn to become better cooks. Also, visit my website, amylearnstocook.com. All my recipes are out there. And join me in my Facebook group. We started talking about this mixer when it first hit Amazon. And we were all wondering about it in my Facebook group, facebook.com/groups/Amy Learns to Cook. You can catch me at Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook. And on Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy. Have a great Wednesday. Go out and cook something. You might surprise yourself.